Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today, sorry I'm shaking it, to do a little share. I am showing you what I sent out to my February partner in the Meet Me With Some Die Cuts that are hosted by Susan Tucker every month here on YouTube. I'll leave Susan's link to her YouTube channel in my description box below so you guys can go check her out if you guys are interested in participating in the future. She has a swap every month and you get to meet a new crafty friend. So like this month I met Kim. I'm not sure if she has a YouTube channel. If I find out she does, I will link it in my description box below as well. But I am sending her die cuts to swap, and this month's theme is set by Susan, who is the host, like I said, of the swap. It is spring and Easter, and I just loaded a envelope and I'm sending it off to her. This envelope actually I received from another crafty friend, and I just only added this heart to it. And then I've stuffed the goodies. This little pocket here I did receive from a crafty friend with this windmill type of flower on it. I just added this carnival tent on it, and I added this banner piece. And I was gifted this paper clip as well. And then inside it just has the banner pieces and then some tickets in different paper. So that's that one. And then I did cut out a few different Easter eggs and some shadow pieces. I also cut out some carrots. If you can see in there, some carrots with the toppers, and then some different framed bunny panels. I've included an assortment of mushrooms in vellum as well as cardstock. I've included a whole bunch of bows in vellum, gold, and regular cardstock. I've die cut out some of these crowns, and there's also a different shape crown in there. And then some bows. This paper is like a doodlebug paper pad, I believe. No, sorry, Queen & Company paper pad. It's called Petite Patterns. This is a Makaz Home's. And then just some bows that she can, you know, assemble. And then I've included a bunch of these. This is what it makes. The what is this, like I'm not sure, some kind of carnival ride, but for the spring fair. And then I've just included a bunch that she could make her own different colors and stuff. Then I've also included this. It's just a little bunny rabbit treat box, and then I cut out the word dream a few times. This bag topper I received from a crafty friend as well. And then I've just included some of these frames, and there are memory decks envelopes in here that I've gifted to her. They're like these. They fold and become an envelope. And the memory decks is already cut out. And this topper I did receive from a crafty friend. I just added this flower there. So that's the share I have today that I'm sending my swap partner for Meet Me With Some Die Cuts, February 2021. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. I appreciate your love and support. Please consider liking and subscribing and sharing this video with a crafty friend. For more videos like this, see here. And until my next video, shakas!